Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by pairing essential gear with a targeted route. Take an axe, saw, and half a rope so you can process quickly. Walk to dense, fallenwood zones near water. These spots regrow faster and cluster logs. Once there, mark a 10-15 minute round-trip harvesting loop so you hit multiple piles each run. Make sure to drop non-essentials before you harvest to stay agile. This reduces inventory clutter and lets you carry more logs per trip. Once you have your loop, optimize the middle of the process with stamina and stacking strategies. Use quick swing attacks to fell small branches and reserve heavy swings for trunks. This conserves stamina and speeds output. Stack collected wood into 3 piles by size for faster pickup and weighing, and keep your inventory organized to avoid slow sorting. Also, place a temporary waypoint every 2 runs so you can teleport or sprint back quickly. This reduces travel time dramatically while keeping you on schedule. To finish, prioritize loading large trunks into your transport first because they free the most inventory space per slot. Once done, use a brief 1-minute cooldown window to eat or repair tools so your next session is uninterrupted. If things go wrong, like spawn scarcity or blocked paths, reset your route by retracing 2 loops or clear obstructing saplings that reduce spawn rates. Make sure to test 1 change at a time so you can see which tweak actually increases log output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.